In the pre-dawn darkness of military bases across the world, soldiers rise not because they feel motivated, but because they understand a fundamental truth that separates success from failure. While the civilian world chases fleeting bursts of inspiration, veterans carry with them a battle-tested principle that transforms both warfare and business. Consistency is the ultimate weapon. When you strip away the heroic narratives and Hollywood dramatizations of military service, what remains is a stark reality. Single acts of courage or moments of divine inspiration do not win wars. They are won by the soldier who maintains his weapon daily, the unit that executes the same tactical drills repeatedly, and the logistics team that delivers supplies regardless of conditions. This is the unglamorous truth that every veteran knows intimately. Consider the morning physical training that begins before sunrise, conducted in rain, snow, or sweltering heat. No sergeant asks how the troops feel about exercising that day. Consistency and preparation leads directly to survival and victory during high stakes situations. This discipline becomes ingrained in military personnel, creating an understanding that daily actions, however mundane, are the building blocks of monumental achievements. The business world operates under identical principles, yet entrepreneurs consistently fall into the motivation trap. They launch ventures with tremendous enthusiasm, working 16-hour days for weeks, only to burn out when initial excitement wanes. They wait for inspiration to strike before creating content, postpone difficult tasks until they feel ready, and wonder why competitors who seemed less talented eventually surpass them. Veterans entering the business arena possess an inherent advantage because they recognize this pattern. They understand that building a successful enterprise requires the same methodical approach that made them effective soldiers. Every blog post published, every social media update shared, and every client interaction completed represents a tactical victory in a larger strategic campaign. The emergence of artificial intelligence has fundamentally altered this battlefield, creating an unprecedented opportunity for those who understand consistency's power. Where previous generations of entrepreneurs faced the impossible choice between maintaining quality and sustaining volume, AI eliminates this constraint entirely. Consider artificial intelligence as your ultimate ally, taking on the majority of the operational workload, freeing up human intelligence to concentrate on strategy and execution. This technological partnership enables unprecedented consistency. An entrepreneur can now maintain daily content creation, respond to customer inquiries promptly, and manage multiple business channels simultaneously without the traditional exhaustion that derailed previous efforts. AI handles research, generates initial drafts, manages scheduling, and performs countless background tasks that previously consumed entire workdays. The compounding effect of this consistency creates what military strategists call force multiplication. Each individual action may seem insignificant, like a single push up in a fitness regimen, but accumulated over months and years, these daily repetitions build formidable strength. A business that publishes valuable content daily for 6 months possesses exponentially more market presence than competitors who publish sporadically, regardless of the latter's individual content quality. Veterans understand that momentum is built through repetition, not inspiration. They know that showing up consistently, even when performance is suboptimal, creates forward progress that irregular bursts of activity cannot match. This mindset, combined with AI's capability to maintain high output standards, creates an almost unfair advantage in today's business environment. The path forward is clear for those willing to embrace this veteran mindset. Success belongs not to those who wait for perfect conditions or peak motivation, but to those who commit to daily action regardless of circumstances. With AI as your force multiplier, consistency becomes not just achievable but inevitable. The question is not whether you will succeed, but how quickly you will outpace those still waiting for motivation to strike.